hne ka step hagapor kumba Henry baje ai man step ka Surok Shillong-Dawki kalatua haki babun ki banta jong ke Surok kabalalong hadin ka jingjur jong slap kabalane bon kenta ki benta jong ke Surok ki blasya kata jur Phah kade haki benta jong Surok rengan bat ka Surok siat bakon penursla hak bagi paj ba nonglet nongwan kila Sahkut no hasiteng lenti lengba jong ki video ki belayo ban ring dagi rupaj ba lala ban saki ke jingjur ke jingtua jong ka khando ha ke jaka bat ngelatap marsiteng ki kali ki bayai lengba ke ke Surok haba persiang ban lum jingtip nagi paj ba ke than kilai thu bagane ke jingjur slap kalalong nadu ka por khat ar baje siteng met ha ke bau slap ula hap klem sange bat kelapan thut ya ke lek awan ke balak taru ya ke jingdon kam jong ki khana school ban lek yele ya ki exam matric habayo abanikran baruba Prestone tensong berdeu deputy chief minister ka sarkar jela uba longru hagju ka por menteri beripej ya ketanat PWD roads ulai thu da ka bong bagi officer ki beripej ya ketika than kilelik ban jurip nak banta ban lek ya kedan kam Baroh badah hagju ka por ulai thu bala betha ai National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation ban wengno ya ki mau ban ka khando ka bala tawa ha ketika jaka ban perlaj ya ki kali jong ki nong lek nongwan
to issue circular to all the divisions exhibiting throughout the state to be alert and also to be ready any eventuality because now I could see the climate change that has taken place. It's very unusual as well as the damage, be it landslide, be it disconnecting of road. It may happen anytime in any place throughout the state. So instruction has been given to all the concerned activities to be alert and to be ready for any eventuality. I think you must have seen it. Few places the road construction started. Then naturally the landslide will happen. Once the rain starts, that landslide will happen because the landslide is right now happening in those portions where the road construction started. So it is not because of the stone quarry, but this is natural during construction of road. That also not only during this time, it happened way back in the year 99, 20, 21 when widening has taken place right from Livencott up to Langkang. Naturally it will affect, but we have already instructed energizers to again station, make sure they are available anytime when the stone fall down or when the landslide takes place anywhere, to make sure that the machinery is in place where they can remove immediately the landslide whatever happens. As dust on ice. As I said to you, you know well the formation of soil in our state. In any hilly stations, I think you understand, and you know the formation of the soil here in Meghalaya, which is not at all possible for any construction company to be able to reduce the landslide which is happening right now. It's not at all the recklessness of the company, but I'm telling you the nature itself has created a lot of problem as far as landslide is concerned. Now order has been issued to all the concerned exhibitors. After that, then the weather is improving, it's okay, then they start working again. It depends. That way it depends. I can't say anything on that. But of course, from the NHISN, they are also making efforts to make sure that the road project is completed as well as possible. Well, the condition of the Shillong-Dawki road, where without blasting you can't do anything. You cannot remove the stone. So therefore, blasting has to be there. Of course, I think out of the blasting, maybe the soil became looser And ultimately, the moment rain starts, the soil goes down towards the roadside, or it goes down towards the towards the slopey side. Looking is so difficult to identify, so difficult to say anything. But what we did was, we already instructed and said, make sure that you should be outside. Any landslide happens in any place, in any portion, in any stretch, kindly remove it as early as possible.